Welcome to Whimsy Ray's Artistry, other known as Artful Wellbeing Hub, Visual Lines of Insight. This is me making my art, my microphone, and I sing. I am a part of this 90-day project where I'm using neon pencils, and these are some of the pencils here. These are the colors I used to make the butterflies. I used a butterfly template, as you can see here, to make the butterflies. I am trying a technique where I've seen artists do this that use colored pencils. They take, this is 91% alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and you just tap it like this, dip it, tap it. And what it's supposed to do is make the wax a little bit more solid on the paper, but apparently I may have put too much on the pencil. These three here, when I had the proper amount, they slightly were brighter than these two, just ever so slightly, but not by much. I put some on this one and I put too much on that one, and it went through the paper. What's happening is the black crimson paper, the color is being absorbed by the ink of the paper, so therefore it's not going to get any brighter with this pencil here. Again, this is all just experimentation of how to take neon colors and make them pop. However, what I did do is I took a black marker, a regular black marker, acrylic marker, like I had shown from my initial video, and I took this center section and I went over it a few times with the black marker, and it actually made the butterfly in the center. It created a little bit more depth in the center, made it darker, and made it pop a little bit. So if I could, I might just add a little bit of marker here and here, along here, using the side of the marker. Might have to go over it a couple of times, but it adds a nice little section of depth, and makes the butterfly look as though the wings are like curving in, and like so. These are the other ones without any marker, just colored pencils, as I showed you, the various colors that I used. And again, this is only 3-minute video, so I'm going to shorten this, increase the speed, but I'm also going to add some white to this to see if I can get it to stand out some more. One of the things he did is he outlined the outside with a different color. So I'm going to try that. I'm going to outline this butterfly. I'm going to turn it to where you can kind of see in the light. See if I can outline it a little bit with the white, or yellow, I mean, right along the edge here. Didn't follow that edge very well. But again, this is all experimenting to see what I can do with colored pencils and neon. Maybe your mind is thinking of ideas of ways you can elaborate on this. Potentially, this could maybe even turn into like you could cut this out and maybe use some glue and tape it onto something, a wall, a book cover. I don't know if they even do that anymore these days. When I was growing up, we had really cool book covers that we would put on our books, our school books. You could put it on a greeting card, make a greeting card, a gift, on a small card. It's not very large, and that's why I like smaller templates, so it can make it more dimensional make it kind of stand out a little bit more. Something else we can try is a marker at this point. This is a dark color of a blue and Crayola marker, but we can just see what happens. I don't know if it'll, I doubt it'll go over the wax of the pencil. It did a little bit, but it's darkening it, but it's not making it brighter. So let's see, does this do anything? Not really. You can see it in the picture, the line that I just drew, but I can't see it because I don't know why, but like I can't see this line, but in the camera I can see it, which is weird. It's kind of fading out though. I think as it dries it starts to fade, so that didn't really do anything. So let's try. Now, acrylic usually goes over quite a few things. So I'm gonna just try, I believe this is acrylic white, and see what happens. I think that's white. So that definitely went over that darker spot. Now that's creating some dimensional work there, some depth, but it takes away from the natural blue. But it did make it brighter, and that's the thing, I don't want it to take away, I want it to add to the blue. Now I'm wondering if I took another color like this color and tried to go over it again, would it actually, and only small parts of it did. I noticed when this other artist would do this, she was really drawing very lightly, and she would just continue to add layers, and she tried not to scratch the paper, but I tend to really draw pretty dark. So I'm going to continue to mess with this, play with this a little bit. I'm going into 7 minutes. That means I'm going to have to stop. But as you can see, with a very clean template, you can do a lot of different things with a butterfly. You could cut this out and apply it to something. And like I said, you can make a really pretty design. You can add whatever you want to the picture. But I really think that we have something when we add that black right there. If I put that on all of them, it'll really make a difference. So I'm going to mess with this a little bit, and then I'll show you some more tomorrow. Okay, thanks. Whimsy Ways Artistry, signing out.